Hey guys, welcome back to AV Creators. Today we're going to show you different colors for your styling of your web page. So these are called hex codes. Hex meaning 6, hexa means 6. So it's a 6-digit alphanumeric code which is used to denote any unique color. And every unique color has a different hex code. So it's quite hard to remember names of all colors, right? So blue, green, red, orange, yellow, all the colors are quite hard to remember. There are many shades as well, like olive green, turquoise, cyan. It's really hard to remember them. So that's why the hex codes were invented for HTML and other coding languages. So it's really simple. It's a 6-digit code. So you need not remember it, but you can because there are always sites and images where they show the 6-digit code, but it is much easier than remembering names and their spellings, right? Because it's much easier to type 6 keys on the keyboard than some spelling that's really hard. So let me take it to the browser and let me show you how there are lots of hex codes out there. Let me show you some of them. So I have shown you guys how to get those color codes. There are lots of them on the internet, hundreds, thousands of them, and you can always get a unique shade. So here I have taken down 5 codes from the internet, and I'm going to just type them and show you how they look. Like they are not just normal colors; they are nice, different shades based on however you want. Okay. So this is the important part. You have to be correct with the hashtag and then the code. So hashtag and then the code. And in CodeWriter at least you can see there is a line below which shows which color has been assigned. So it makes it easier for you to see which color you have assigned. Let's do the same for others. For this one I have taken another one, and as you saw before I came to CodeWriter, I had showed you guys what colors we have chosen, so at least the codes. So now you'll be able to see them in action. Color colon, and we have shown you the styles earlier. The same way you have to do it. The hex code is just in place of the usual color that you write, or I mean the name of the color. Otherwise it's all the same. And anyway, the hex code has to start with the hashtag, else it won't be considered valid, and HTML won't give that color to your text or button or anything you want. So you can use these colors also to style your tables, especially table rows and table cells. It's a really nice way to give it the color you feel like cool shades, or like a bit normal colors, maybe a bit bright, so a bit dark ones. So here we have typed 5 to 6 sample colors. Now let me save the document and run it in the browser. You can see the different colors. Alright, I have saved the document and run it in the browser. So you can see the hex colors as the underline under the hex code was is the same colors that have come here. It's different than normal colors we know and their names. So this is a much better way to pinpoint the exact shade you want on your text or document, or any element in your document like table or button or link. So that's all for this video. We saw how hex codes can be used to have nice shades to your text, buttons, tables. So if you found this video interesting and helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to watch our previous videos as well. Goodbye.